Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Heather and I am the recipe creator and cookbook author at bostongirlbakes.com. I love teaching others just how simple baking from scratch can be. Today on this channel, I'm going to be showing you how to make my super easy pineapple upside down cake. I absolutely adore this cake. It has a really super easy vanilla cake batter that uses melted butter and oil for maximum flavor, and it yields a really great tender moist cake. And the best part is you don't even need an electric mixer to throw it together. Let's get started. Let's make my pineapple upside down cake.
Start by pouring half a stick or 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter into the bottom of a greased 9-inch cake pan. And then go ahead and sprinkle on 2/3 cup of packed light brown sugar. I just sprinkle that all over the melted butter. And then I arrange my pineapple slices. I arrange 8 pineapple slices into a circle in the bottom of the pan. And then I take 3 slices that I've cut in half and I arrange them on to the sides of the cake pan. Then I'm going to go ahead and just place the maraschino cherries into the circle of each pineapple slice and into any of those little openings that you see here. Then I can go ahead and get that set aside. Then I'm going to start mixing together my dry ingredients. I'm going to sift together 1½ cups of cake flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder with 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Just go ahead and sift that together and set it aside. Then in a second mixing bowl, I'm going to mix together 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter with 1/4 cup of canola oil, or you can use another neutral tasting oil. Stir in 1 cup granulated sugar, 2½ teaspoons vanilla extract, and 2 large eggs that have been brought to room temperature. Go ahead and just simply whisk that all together. Then I'm going to alternate my dry ingredients with my buttermilk. Starting with my dry ingredients, I add in about 1/3 and whisk that together. And then I'll add in about half of my buttermilk and simply whisk that in as well. And then I'm going to repeat this with more of the flour. Simply whisk that then and then add in the rest of your buttermilk, and you're going to end with the rest of your dry ingredients. You want to make sure to not overmix at this point, so you end up with a nice light and fluffy cake. Then go ahead and pour that over your pineapple topping. Simply smooth the top, and then it's ready to bake at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes. Once it's done baking, it's time to invert your pineapple upside down cake. I simply place my cake stand over my pan, and I'm just simply going to flip it upside down and then remove my cake pan. Now, if some of the pineapple slices or cherries stick, just go ahead and remove them and place them right back on top. No one has to be the wiser.
And that's how you make my super easy pineapple upside down cake. If you make this recipe, please let me know in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and I can't wait to see you next time.